Good day everyone! Today we're going to discuss the different types of networking devices, networking media, and connectors.
First, let's start with networking devices. Networking devices are physical devices that are in charge of communication and data transfer within a computer network. There are different kinds of networking devices. These are commonly known as router, switch hub, access points, and modem.
The router are device that connects different networks and determine the best path for data to travel between them. Common usage. It sends information from the internet to personal devices like computers, phones, and tablets. This internet-connected device in your home make up your
Switch hub are the basic devices that connect multiple devices within a LAN. They work at the physical layer and broadcast data to all connected devices. Switches are key building blocks for any network. Common usage. They connect multiple devices such as computers, wireless access points, printers, and servers on the same network within a building or a campus.
Access point provides wireless connectivity for device to connect a wired network. Common usage. An access point is a device that creates a wireless local area network or WLAN, usually an office or large building. An access points connect to a wired router, switch, or hub via an Ethernet cable and projects a Wi-Fi signal to a designated area.
and modulator demodulator, also known as modem. This converts digital data from a computer into analog signals for transmission over analog communication lines and vice versa. Common usage permits communication between computers and other devices via satellite, cable, or phone connection.
Let's now move on to the networking media. Networking media is the physical medium that carries data signals from one device to another. And these are the types of networking media: copper cabling, fiber optic cabling, and wireless.
Copper cabling is commonly referred to as Ethernet cable is widely used for LAN connections.
Common usage. Power distribution, generation, transmission, and telecommunications, electronic circuitry, and an endless variety of electrical apparatus.
Fiber optic cabling uses the light signals that transmit data, and it's known for its high bandwidth with long distance capabilities. Optical fibers are about to transmitting data over long distance that provide signals. Common usage: telecommunication service like phones, television, and internet.
Wireless networking relies on radio waves to transmit data between devices. Common usage: satellite television, broadcast television, radio receiver, wireless computer mouse, keyboards, headphones, garage door openers, GPS system, and cordless phones.
And last but not the least, networking connectors. Networking connectors are the physical interfaces that enable devices to connect and communicate within a network. The following are the types of networking connectors: RJ45, LC, SC, BNC, and USB. RJ45 connectors are commonly used in Ethernet connections to connect computers, switches, and routers. Common usage: wired Ethernet connections in homes and businesses.
LC connectors are used in fiber optic cabling to provide a reliable connection for transmitting optical signals. Common usage: fiber optic networks in data center and telecommunication.
SC connectors are another type of fiber optic connector known for their push-pull design, making them easy to connect and disconnect. Common usage: fiber optic networks in telecommunication and cable TV.
BNC connectors are commonly used for coaxial cables, are known for their twist and lock design.
Common usage: connecting analog video equipment such as CCTV cameras.
USB connectors are used for a wide range of devices, including computers, printers, and external storage devices. Common usage: connecting peripherals to computers.